how do you fight the idea that 3D printing is just another fad, or worse, that it's a tool that can be used in a negative way, which we saw recently in the news with the person who wanted to create guns from it? What are your thoughts on that?
Like every technology, it can be used for good or for evil, right? And but I think overall the net is going to be very positive. Let's deal with guns for a minute. The guns are a very, very small part of the industry right now, and I believe that the strategy that's going to happen is that firms are going to keep expanding and expanding and expanding until we end up with these very, very large titans of manufacturing. And those firms are going to create a network, like an ecosystem of other players that attach to them. And the competition is going to move between this group of firms to that group of firms. And as a consequence, they're all going to get together, because there's only going to be a small number of them, and they're going to pressure the printer makers to create printers that won't print out guns, and they won't print out gun parts. That's what I believe. They'll set standards, and the machine will just turn off. Or if they see a file being downloaded, it'll be an endless battle back and forth. There's
always ways to get around technology, though, right? There's always a back door somewhere.
Yeah, if anything we've proven is no rule ever works, right? There's always a way around the laws, even if the government doesn't accept that, and people are always cutting fine edges. So but the average citizen won't go through all of that. It's too much trouble, and they don't want to, hire lawyers and all the rest of this stuff to defend themselves. It's going to be the terrorists and the criminals that want to do this kind of thing. And we're going to have to monitor usage of the machines. And in one way, if they're making stuff and it's monitored and reported back to the original company, we're going to be able to catch them faster. And in addition to that, these big giant groups, let's say United Metals, Universal Metals, they'll probably have a gun manufacturer in there. So the whole group will have an interest to pressure the government to do all kinds of regulations and so forth. Now, I mean, we already do that with guns, but they still get out on the streets, and the illegal ones are still around. In the end, it'll be, like fighting the endless drug war that we have now.